and welcome to a quick video on your homework. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to explain it fully. You're going to be doing a homemade respiration activity where you're thinking about designing an experiment with a plan or a methodology that's going to be measuring a dependent variable related to what we've started to talk about this week. So your goal this weekend is to do something that involves movement. It really can be anything as long as it involves you physically, moving your body. Could be lifting weights, could be going for a bike ride, could be going for a walk, could be canoeing, paddling, you name it. Just it needs to involve movement. I want you to try and challenge yourself to movement that's going to make your heart rate and respiration rates change or go into different zones. You might have a smartwatch that might be able to measure your heart rate on your wrist. You could use your phone, but it's also perfectly fine to measure your breathing and heart rate using techniques that we've practiced in our class. Just a reminder, 15 seconds times 4 will give you your respiration and heart rate. To do this, you're going to first choose your exercise or movement choice, maybe it's running, and then you're going to write an experimental question regarding your activity and respiration rate. So does the amount of breaths that I take change when I run for 20 minutes? You're going to want to make sure that you establish what your independent and dependent variable is, and list any constants that you would want to make your data as accurate as possible. Constants are things that you're going to do the identical or the same way every single time you do the experimental data collection. Below, you're going to write a simple procedure. Try and be as specific as possible when you think about units or time or the steps. Be as specific as possible. And then finally, in the space below, make some data tables where you organize the data that you collect. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoy some movement this weekend.